In 2023, we've delivered so many key milestones at Grand Central, with my favourite being the launch of Medallion Park, the centrepiece of Grand Central. In 2024, we're really excited to deliver our second park at Grand Central. Located in Stage 14, right near the Davis Creek, construction will commence before the end of the year. Bulk earthworks in stages 15 to 18 are now complete, and we're commencing sewer and drainage works in stages 15 and 16. Having finished the civil component of the wetlands, we're now really excited to commence planting, bringing the creek to life. As a part of our works in the wetlands, we're going to deliver a pedestrian bridge, increasing connectivity within Grand Central. We will be delivering streetscapes to help Grand Central present beautifully in stages 11 to 14, commencing before Christmas. We've made updates to our construction tracker to help people understand more about our different construction activities. Head to the website and have a look for more details. We held an amazing event at Medallion Park, celebrating Diwali and the launch of the Cricket World Cup. We're super excited for more events to come. Please keep an eye out for more information.